And we started to think, what if we just rewarded people for their sustainable actions? And this is how we came up with the EcoCoin. It's a way for people to do good and get paid.
She gave me an assignment. She said, the stones or the bones are telling me that you came to Africa for a reason. And that's not just the reason for you, but there is a reason for the community, for the world that you came here. Because you experienced the African indigenous life. You experienced how we think, how we feel, how we work, how we are. And we need a bridge between our way of thinking and our worldview and yours. We need that bridge to heal the world. And your work is to build that bridge between science and the indigenous, between economics and the social, between culture and nature. Because all of that is one, and we tend to forget that.
The word growth is rooted in the Proto-Germanic word grü, which means something like the land becoming green again in the beginning of spring. In itself, surely a moment that ignites all sorts of feelings of happiness and excitement. Dreams of good times ahead. A little magic, rooted in the experienced reality of the cycle of life and of the seasons. Grü, green, growth. Growth. By giving a word to this specific moment in time and then extracting it from that particular context and time frame, as alphabet-based languages tend to do, its meaning and our intimate understanding of it mutated and was corrupted. Grü originally takes place in relation to what went before and what will come after.
The sixth extinction that we are into right now, we can see species are already disappearing at more than 1,000 times the background rate. And this is the first extinction event that is not caused by a geological or an astrological impact event, but is caused solely by the activities of one species, and that being us human beings. So in 70 years, we've actually catalyzed the beginning of an extinction event, and we already have entered this extinction event.
Viral nature is a composite material, 84% organic, able to host life. Fertile and easy to shape, the mix can be employed to cast complex structures made to grow into living botanical sculptures.
Wither talks about the deforestation that's happening right now. During our lockdowns, the acceleration of deforestation is picking up 71%. Every leaf that you can see disappearing in the work, it marks the loss of 225 square meters of rainforest somewhere in a hidden jungle.
The work I'm presenting, Shifting Biology, is focused on what might look like after man-made and natural materials have fused together over time in our hybrid world.